Hello folks, I'm here at the Blacktop Shop and this is your hot rod tip of the day. When you're installing your new clips and bolts to adjust your headlights on your vintage automobiles and you try and start the threads and they're real tight and you can't turn it with your Phillips screwdriver, it's because you need to run a 1/4 28 tap through the plastic clip. Okay, you run a tap through there, you start your own threads. Once you get it all cleaned up, you put a dab of grease on it and you put the bolt back in. And you get the threads all started real nice inside your clip. And when you put it together, look, it turns real nice and easy. All right, and that's your hot rod tip of the day. Take care.